Welcome to the World of WIDUNI, which is a product of PRVIGA Solutions. WIDUNI is all about freedom and power for leadership. In this session, we will dive deep into the details on how WIDUNI gives freedom and power to the leadership to deliver any IT solution within 30 days through its instant, easy, and open-ended solution framework. Today's typical IT transformation is like climbing Mount Everest, which only few people can afford, and hence only few people can make it to the top. But WIDUNI's transformation is like walking the park, which anyone can afford and everyone will make it. Let us understand in detail the secret of WIDUNI, which gives power and freedom to the leadership. The core secret lies in the solution deployment framework. It has 3 steps: design, structure, and execute the solution. The key differentiator in WIDUNI's framework is, after execution, it is easy to go back to structure or go to the design directly and make changes. This is an absolute power and freedom for leadership from IT transformation perspective to take on any challenges, as any transformation will be delivered by WIDUNI within 30 days. Let us give you an orientation on details of 20,000 dynamic predefined business algorithms and 500 plus business field validations. In order to facilitate this orientation, we have categorized these algorithms and validations under broader headings of transformation modules. At the foundation layer, there are transformation connectors for process design, process, sub-process, and field connection, approvals, notifications, security, and access. In the next layer, there are connectors for various interfaces, reports and analytics, and mobile app version. And on the top layer, there are connectors for user interface and advanced technologies. So connecting the transformation modules and establishing its relevance through the storyboard. Any IT transformation generally starts with designing the process, sub-process for various departments, regions, and countries. So WIDUNI can create n number of processes and sub-processes. And also any number of processes can be connected and interconnected with each other, covering from the most simple to the most complex structures. The next step is to decide the required field level validation, starting from date to file type, text, currency type, numeric, fields, which needs to be derived from other processes, calculations, and other requirements. Remember, WIDUNI can handle more than 500 plus business field validations. Once the processes are set, then required approval structure needs to be created. WIDUNI facilitates both hierarchy-based approvals and transaction-based approvals. It covers simple level of approvals to the most complex level of approvals. Next step is, we need notifications and alerts from various business and user requirements. WIDUNI facilitates one of the most unique and best customizable alerts available in the market, both in the web and the mobile. WIDUNI can notify, remind, or escalate on various simple and complex business situations. Now comes a very critical step, which is to decide the hierarchy of the users, approvers, alignment to processes, user onboarding, etc. Also, the authentication method. At this point, authentication method are password, CAPTCHA, email, and web OTP, which can be used in any combination. Other unique features which WIDUNI brings in are custom-made reports, analytics, and trends, which will be very critical in on-time decision-making for both preventive and corrective actions. This includes custom-made digital cockpit, trends, graphs, reports with calculations and analysis. The other interesting part in WIDUNI is connecting with interface. It can connect with internal interfaces like email, FTPs, document repository, PDF generators, and external interfaces like SAP, payment gateways, fingerprint reader, barcode reader, digital machineries. Now for some scenario, client may need mobile version of the application, which can be made instantly available. This is a very significant advantage to the users who are always on the move. Mobile functionalities include GPS locator, secured authentication, and all functionalities and features which are available in the web application. The last two modules are very interesting and unique only to WIDUNI. Customizable user interface is available, which will ensure the user interfaces are always vibrant and keep the user experience very fresh. It ranges from changing the color of the field to the background of the screen as well. This is available for both web and mobile. The last and the most important module is incorporating latest technologies to WIDUNI. This is possible due to WIDUNI's architecture, which accommodates new technologies or methods or upgrades very easily. Thus, WIDUNI will always be current with the technologies. Couple of areas which WIDUNI can facilitate are artificial intelligence and blockchain concepts. You have just witnessed overview of WIDUNI's functionalities and features. WIDUNI will give the business leaders the freedom and power where the IT transformation will just happen within 30 days. Use the contact details to connect with us.